And welcome back. This is the Tower T17039 11-litre digital air fryer. And a common question that we have is, how do you set up the rotisserie fork for a chicken? So quite easy. You get a spindle and a set of 2 forks in your box. So it is really easy to set up the spindle. As you'll see just here, there is a locking nut and the fork, which just attach to the spindle quite easily. You'll see that there are holes for that to be set onto. So I'm just going to get that set up. I'll be back with you in a moment. So as you'll see, the fork doesn't need to be essentially just in this divot. You can tighten the screw anywhere on the spindle so it sort of stays in place for whatever size chicken you have. So as you'll see, now that it's tightened, it's very difficult to move it. So that will hold a chicken in place very snugly. Now that our rotisserie spindle is all set up, we'll get the fryer ready for use. So we'll just move that to the side there and open up the air fryer. First things first, you're going to need to put in your drip tray to catch any drips that may come from a chicken. So I'll move it this way for now. Now, you would need to grab the chicken spindle and you'd obviously have your chicken on there. And as you'll see on the inside, there is the mechanism that rotates the meat and a small hook that holds the rotisserie spindle. So let's first of all get the spindle into the rotating mechanism, and then of course we'll attach the other side onto the hook. So now that's in place, that will then automatically start to rotate the chicken. So to start off, we will come over to our control panel. So number 1, press and hold to switch the unit on. Now, you do have the option of either setting your own setting, as we've shown in another video, or using one of the preset settings. So to access the preset settings, just press the menu button and that'll take you through the different settings that are available. So we are going to go over to the whole chicken setting, and that automatically puts the fryer onto a 200-degree setting for around about 40 minutes. Now, this is just a preset setting. You can still adjust this from the menu by using your temperature and time dials. Once you've pressed go, it will start to work. If you wanted to see inside the cavity, just press the light bulb. And as you can see, there is automatically a rotation on the rotisserie setting. You can turn off the rotation by clicking on the rotation symbol, and that stops the rotation. That is, for example, if you wanted one side more cooked. So for example, the top of a chicken, if you want a crispier skin, you could stop the rotation right there and just brown off the top. But to restart the rotation, just press your rotation symbol again, and that begins to rotate again. We hope this helps.